Okay, and now we have unboxing of new models, a few new laptops. I need more space here. Okay, so first of all, few boxes, cardboard, more cardboard, even more cardboard. Funny, and now we have. Wait, tu nagrywam. Nagrywam. So, yeah, here we have a few new models. It's very special laptops. And now I can show you all of it. It's very nice models. I believe you will be happy from this unboxing. So we start from first one. All of them should working. All of them should they're already tested. So yeah, here we have the little bit special. It's totally bended screen, but it was cheap. It's only £50 for that model. I can. I don't know. I think it's not working. But screen should be in one piece. Okay, we can try. Should be working. Let's also cover for camera. Yeah, they selling. It's working. It's bended but working. So I hope it's fine. Yeah, screen is just one piece. Here is a little bit bended in the corner, but it's nothing for that price. It's great. It's Ryzen 5 4000 series. It's great. It's great. It's old Lenovo. It's like old ThinkPad. Yeah. So yeah, for like this last tiered one, Envy. Ryzen 5 400. Oh, maybe now you see. Also good graphics card, storage. Actually, I buy this laptop in the price of only RAM and only drive. It was a really good bit. Also have fingerprint if you want it, if you like it. Yeah, great. For me, I'm looking for something like that for one of my clients. I think it's yeah. Yeah, I think it's track point, typical in the models. Yeah, so you can use this to move the mouse if you don't like this. Yeah, it's nice. I'm happy to buy this. Very good model with bended screen. Yeah, but it's fine. Need charger only, but ready to use. Nothing special. Also USB-C, and have the special one if you want to use a U drive. It's like because this is model, enterprise model, it's also have there's a special slot for server drives. If you are admin, if you are server administrator, you can plug here directly your drive. It's good idea. It's a really good idea. First time I see something like that, but it's cool. It's very cool. I think it's also SIM card. It's probably, because here is card and here is SIM card. Probably it's also have a LTE modem, I believe, and here is a card for logging. If you're working in the big corporation, you have your own card to log in into that laptop. As for security reasons, it's cool. It's really cool. Okay, what's next? This is the main reason why I buy this batch. I win very cheap. I not expected this will be so good prices. Nobody outbid me. Maybe not all of this are in the best way, but you can take like that. It's a military model. It can be even from Ukraine war, maybe. The best, I don't even know how to open, funny. Oh, okay. So you have Panasonic cf-20. It's talkbook. Waterproof, dustproof. It's military model. This one was the cheapest. I nearly paid £15 for it. It was totally broken. Only that single button. It's impossible to buy only keyboard. I need to buy all the station. It's cost around £100. But the rubber is still there. It's possible to working normal, so good enough. Probably is very dusty. It is broken. It's typical in that model. The broken slot, but rest is okay. Probably was used on the building site or something like that. It's one very cool thing. Look, here you release and you can take it on your screen with you. Let's have second battery here. Oh, not good sound. So here you can use Windows 10, Windows 11. It's fully touch. Yeah, you can even play games on it. Here it's place for pen, for stylus, but I don't have it. Second charging point. So yeah, here is only docking station. You can look how funny looks all these sockets. It's really cool, in my opinion. What else we have here? This battery socket. I'm not sure how to open it. Oh, yeah. So here we have battery, but it's plugged already. Water. It's waterproof, but you see the watermark, so probably was already underwater, but everything cool. Here is still socket, COM port, USB 1, 2, 3, LAN port. Everything is here. Really cool idea. Great. I'm very happy from buying this. And it's locked again, and you have standard laptop. Great, totally great. Infrared camera, probably. I never touch it, I never check it. First time, and you can ready to go to your building site, to your place. So cool, really cool. And next three more is same, but it looks much better. Except this one, it's a older model. This one already have 20 years. Still have problem to open it. Oh, look, like military. yeah, here you have some Pentium Mobile from 2006, 2005, maybe even 4. Screen is actually, I don't know how to use it. Okay, I don't want broke it, but I don't know. Oh yeah, that way. So you can turn it like that and like that, and you still have tablet. This one is also waterproof, also dust proof, also military model. Yeah, really cool. Everything have a metal plate. It's aluminium. It's not cheap plastic. I think this one do not have a I don't even know how to open. And going down. Okay, like that. So yeah, here we have space for hard drive. Sadly, no case. And here we have a battery. So yeah, battery you can change wherever you want, and I believe it still will be working. It's good if you're working on the building site, on I don't know, camping or anything like that. Is also a cool idea. Wi-Fi 8 antenna, everything. I believe it's possible also to plug satellites. I'm not sure in which port it will be possible, but probably in the cards. Charging, everything sealed, waterproof, dustproof. You can go even to desert. USB 2 for sure, because it's older model. In this model you cannot the attach screen. You need to only turn like that. But it's still cool. When I was kid, I always dreamed to have one of this, and now I have it. Very cheap, 10 pounds. Should be working. No, I don't see any problem. When I bidding on the auction was also very cheap. Yeah, very nice model. Small, secure, and 2 more cf-20. So yeah. Oh, I not expected this one will be broken. On the back, nobody tell me. Maybe I do not check all photos, but actually it's good because I can show you how it's working. Probably. Can we go inside? We can try. I never go inside military model. I'm not sure this will be even possible in nice way, but we need to go there anyway because I need to put the drive, so it will be good to test on broken one. Oh my god, I don't know. Maybe some screw here can be. Maybe the best check on internal, but probably it's the screw here. Can be. No screw here. Strange. But here is the main lock. Oh my god, it's broken. Okay, and I broke my plastic. Probably somebody already tried to go in. That's why he looked terrible. Oh my god. Okay, nearly. The back side is out. Yep. No. Also broken. Oh my god, how to go in? Oops, something broken. I should check the instructions, but I don't have time. Okay. I believe this should be easier. Why it's so hard? Ah, we are in. Okay. Please do not broke. Please do not broke. Okay, we're going. Oh fuck, it's broke. I just like my ex-girlfriend. I try everything good, but he's still opposite. Okay. It should be any screw here. Why it's so hard? I need new plastic. This one is broke already. A little bit more. Under that corner is SSD drive, so should we go? He's doing everything to do not go. I don't believe it. Now the two screws going in. My fault. Here was locker. Yeah, I fucked up. But anyway, it was broken. Oh, I got a few pieces and the cover. Oh yeah. Okay, we are in. Motherboard not broken, only outside plastic. Yeah, so here is space for drive. It's also look like a temperature controller on it, as you can see, or maybe this is some radiation cover. I don't know. This can be anything, or maybe Wi-Fi. I don't know. Looks nice. No, Wi-Fi is there. So this can be temperature controller drive. It will be too hot here. Working slow. Look how many pieces of cables into Wi-Fi is here. So I believe here is Wi-Fi 2, black and white. Here you have Blue Touch and antenna mode, because I'm not sure exactly where, but in one of these corners, I believe it's here. Here you have a SIM card slot, so you can put SIM card inside and just using it. It's very, very funny. Very good model. Not the fastest, but this what he have here for that price is cool. It's really cool. I'm very happy. Good model. Actually, we can check it's working or not. Oh, another screw. Why so many screws inside? I have no idea. O kurwa, tumor. Funny. From where it's going? They remove something from there, but what? I I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 10 screws. I don't know from where. Sierra, wireless, Aero Prime, Qualcomm. Yeah, for sure some military stuff. Okay, we can try. Working or not? I think not working. No, battery is dying. Okay. So we back to this model for sure in future. At this moment I leave it like that. Even without cover, if you want nice suitcase. You have a reason. Okay. This one go later. And the last one is also same model, but the really good model with drive go for over 120. And most of this I buy between 20 and 40. Plus 10 pounds delivery each. But yeah, same. This one looks the best, and also have a stylus pen. So if you like use on touch screen, it's possible. Yeah, so this one I probably put on sell. This looks okay. Yeah, it's really small, really funny. Nice military model. Maybe a screen need to be replaced, but it's okay. Working? No, sadly also not working. Need to be charged. None of them are working. But all of them going to the BIOS, because that's why I'm buying this. Keyboard maybe it's not the best. Probably also water damaging, but it's waterproof. Have a Intel Core M5. It's vPro. So probably low voltage and very, very slowly. It's over 1 gigahertz, but good enough. Good enough for that price. Good enough. And only this one have that cover. As you can see, it's also nearly broken. It's typical in that models. Every model on internet has broken with that. So yeah, that's everything for today. I can still check this one on battery, but probably will be same. Yeah, all of them are die. Yeah, but cool. Military laptops in good prices. Good for kids. You can give your kids and it's nothing will be broken. Yeah, so everything for now. Have a nice Sunday. Bye.